The downside to decorating for Christmas is that you have to first take down all of the fall decorations. But today's video is going to be a home reset. I'm taking down my fall stuff in my kitchen and my dining room, and I'm gonna get those two rooms ready for Christmas. Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. It's time to decorate a couple more rooms in my house for Christmas. And today is the kitchen and dining room that I'm gonna tackle. And as you saw, I took down all the fall decorations, getting it cleaned up so that I can start with a fresh slate and decorate these two rooms. Also, before we get started, I do want to let you know that today's video is sponsored by Asoko lighting, and I will tell you a little bit more about them in just a bit. All right, let's go ahead and decorate for Christmas. Now that everything's off my table, I can give it a good cleaning, and I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's, of course, and it's the peppermint scent, which is, oh, I love it. But anyway, I'm cleaning my table real good. I am using my vacuum mop to clean under the table, and it will be ready to be decorated for Christmas. My youngest son still lives at home. He is a senior at LSU, but when he wants to come chit-chat, I take advantage of that and I chit-chat. However, I did inadvertently put him to work, and he just followed along. But anyway, anytime I can chit-chat with my kids, I take advantage of that opportunity. I got this tree last year from Michael's. It is a 7-foot pre-lit pencil tree, and I got it on sale last year. It was, I want to say right before Thanksgiving, but I got it on sale for $50. So this year I was looking out for that sale again because I wanted one for my patio, and I did get another one. But it was $60 this year, but that's okay because it's an awesome tree. Okay, this is where I ride the struggle bus every year. My centerpiece for my table. I just never seem to be completely satisfied with the way it looks. It's probably the little wooden tray that everything's in. It kind of limits what I can put in there, but I don't know. I just get frustrated with trying to get it the way I want it. So you'll see, I'm just like, whatever, just put this there and let's be done. And the buffalo check napkins that were supposed to arrive today did not come in. So be looking in a future video. I will take a little snapshot of what it's supposed to look like. This is the second day, and I'm working on the kitchen. And as you can see, my son's wanting to chit chat again. But let's be honest, his girlfriend went home for the weekend from LSU, so that's really the only reason he's home. But hey, I'll take it. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. I really do appreciate it, and I would love it if you would be a part of my YouTube family. If you like meal ideas, home decor, home organization, shopping hauls, then this is the place for you. Click that subscribe button and click the bell button because it will let you know every time I upload a new video. Also, if you do subscribe, let me know in the comments below, and I would love to meet you. You know, I really probably should have started decorating before now, but I always feel like it's not going to take as long as what I think it will, and then it ends up taking a lot longer. But let me know in the comments below if you decorate minimal or if you decorate every room. I try to decorate every room, but I don't go overboard, except probably in my den, my kitchen, dining room area, and my coffee bar. I probably go a little overboard on that in those areas, but you know, I want it to feel Christmassy, so you know, I kind of put myself in the situation, but I love it when it's done. video is sponsored by Asoko lighting, and they sent me this motion sensor under cabinet light. I want to show you a few little features of the light. So on the bottom you see these two silver buttons. These are magnets. So if you want to use it somewhere that has metal already, like a closet rod, this would be perfect because it just, you know, it's a magnet to any iron feature. But if you don't want to use it somewhere that's, you know, got the metal already, it does come with these two metal plates that are adhesive. So you just take off this adhesive and you stick it to the bottom of a cabinet. If you want to use it for under cabinet lighting, it just sticks to those magnet buttons. There are three features. You can have it off, so it's not going to turn on. You can have it on, and you can see it comes on. I don't want to direct it directly at the camera because it'll be too bright. Then it also has an auto feature. I want to show you the different light options. So this right here is the sensor, okay? You can kind of see where, I'm not going to point it directly at the camera, but you can see where each bulb is, and there is a gray button, not a button, but like a gray pad right here that when you touch it, it changes the lighting. There are 5 different options for the light feature, so whatever you want. So that's super bright, and then that's more dim, and then it just gets a little brighter each time. So that's pretty cool. It's also rechargeable, and this is the cord that it comes with. And it says that it can be fully charged within 2.5 to 3 hours. Charges pretty fast. And then you can see some examples of how I have used this. I haven't fully decided where I want to use it yet. So I basically picked places that have metal surfaces already that I could stick it to and show different ways that it can be used. But this is a great option if you moved into a house and you want that under the cabinet lighting and you don't want to spend a lot of money. This is perfect. The regular price is $17.99. So that is really a great price for really quality upgrades to, you know, to a closet or to a cabinet. So yeah, this is an awesome deal. So don't forget to check the link in my description box and you will get a 15% off discount of your purchase of this under the cabinet light by Asoko. Thank y'all so much for stopping by and watching me decorate my kitchen and dining room. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you're new to my channel, thanks so much for coming by. Thank you to those who have already subscribed and you keep coming back. I really do appreciate it. Leave me a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that bell button so you do not miss when I upload new videos. There is more Christmas decor to come, and I will see you next time. Bye.